Hugo lift, compact, versatile and easy to use access platform for indoor use. It provides a safe and effective solution for working at height and is ideal in offices, shops, public buildings, factories and warehouse environments. Compact at only 730mm wide and 1.4 meters high, it will fit through a standard doorway and in the majority of passenger lifts. Hugo's specification includes a platform height of 2.2 meters with a working height of 4.2 meters. This is where you can comfortably reach with your hands. Hugo weighs 260 kilograms and is easy to move from position to position. Battery and hydraulic powered, ensures an efficient use of power with an extended running time. Hugo has a height adjustable cargo shelf with a 50 kilogram capacity. This helps reduce manual handling when working at height. With an additional chassis cargo shelf of 50 kilograms, this is ideal for carrying your toolbox, equipment or goods to the workplace. Hugo has intuitive controls with a simple layout that makes it easy to use. Hugo lift has a number of key safety features. These include interlocking gates, preventing exit from the platform whilst elevated, auto elevation braking, ensure brakes are applied when elevated and prevents movement of the platform when in an elevated position. Level sensing, preventing lift if floor level exceeds machine capability. Hugo has a number of additional features which include non-marking tyres, suitable for use on a finished floor, battery powered with smart charging, either 110 or 240 volt, with an auto shutdown facility when the batteries are fully charged. Integral fork pockets provides the ability to lift safely and carry with a forklift. It has all-round protection with a non-marking bumper. Hugo is versatile, easy to move and requires minimal area for storage. It's compact and easy to transport.